Hi everyone, Barry at Top Car Detailing. Now we've got another Mercedes AMG in for one of our detailing packages. This car has got severe scratches and swirl marks in the paintwork, so we've got a lot of machine polishing to do on this to turn this one round. So what we'll be doing in this video at first is washing the car, get it back in the studio, dry it off, and then we'll be showing you some clips before we start doing any machine polishing, show you all the marks and scratches in the paintwork, then moving on to the final finishing off of the paint, correcting it, getting the gloss level back, and then we shall be doing the coating afterwards. So stay with me, have a look at the video, and I'll catch you later. Well, we're back in the studio now with the Mercedes AMG. So we've been working on the interior. I've done all the carpets in the car and also the mats here. These have been deep cleaned now as well, and a bit later on for go home this afternoon, going to be treated with G-Technique Smart Fabric as well. So that's out the way with now. What we're also going to be having to do on this car is a major paint correction detail, because we've got some bad swirl marks and scratches in the paintwork. I'll be coming to that as well a bit later on. Also, we're having the lift in the studio. We've done all under the sills, front bumper, back bumper has all been cleaned, spotless now. And what we're going to be doing a bit later on in this detail, the side plates here, side steps, are all going to be polished up and treated as well, and they shall be coated too. And all the plastic trim here, so we've got quite a lot to do on this car. Also, all the glass has got to be treated as well, so we've got repellency there, so nothing on the exterior of this car is going to stick to it. Right, anyhow, I must crack on, got quite a bit to do, and I'll catch you in a bit. Lots of bad defects in the paintwork on this particular car, probably down to poor washing techniques. As I say, just on the first stage of machine polishing at the minute, but there is some really bad scratches to remove here. And as you can see on the left hand side, it is in quite a mess, this car. You can see all the swirl marks and holograms in the paint here. Right, so we've now completed the first stage of machine polishing on the Mercedes, but you can see now we've got more clarity in the paintwork. So what we'll be doing this afternoon is polishing this up as well, get a high gloss finish on this, and then later on we shall be coating all the plastic trim. Great thing with a nano hybrid machine, we've got different size pads, so we can set the discs off, interchange them. That side. Okay, and then obviously we've got a variety of different pads we can put on. We've still got a deep scratch to sort out on the car yet, so we'll be using this blue course pad from Roots, and that should do the trick. This car needs a hell of a lot of paint correction work doing on it. Really bad swirl marks, scratches and holograms in the paintwork. We'll refined all this now, and the car now looks like a complete mirror. Also cleaned all the dashboard up, polished the centre console here, and all the carpets have been treated. What we've also done as well, treated all the wheels with Kamikaze Collection Stance Rim Coat. Fantastic coat to this, and this is going to repel everything. Right, the Mercedes AMG GLE 43 is now complete and finished here at Top Car Detailing. So what we're going to do now is pull the car outside and show you how it looks in the daylight. Well, what another fantastic car we've had to work on. If you'd like any more information on our car detailing services, check out our website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk or give me a ring personally where I can give you the right advice moving forward for your car. And remember, if you get in touch with us and you want your car detailing to the highest standard, maybe your car could feature in one of our videos. Also, if you like, subscribe to our YouTube channel where we've got more videos coming shortly and more nice cars to work on. Until next time, catch you later.